Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. And thank you so much for jumping on another call today. It is a Friday the 13th, so I hope it's going to be a good one for you guys. uh, and, uh, you know, on this call, what I'm going to talk about is I'm going to walk you through what MLOBOX is, MLOBOX AI, and show you how it helps loan officers, real estate agents, insurance agents, processors, I mean, lawyers, dentists, any business owners to automate their marketing with AI, using AI. And when I say that, I wanted to say we're not just a marketing company, but that's a big part of what we do. But in reality, we are truly, and we really truly want to be your tech partner in all of this stuff. So anything that from this point on AI technology delivers or builds on it, we are definitely going to explore that technology in a detail, and we want to apply that to your business, right? So one of the biggest challenges that I found that most professionals face today is simply staying visible online. As I kind of mentioned it earlier, we all know we need to be online. We all know that our message got to be out there. I say this often, just go to any large gatherings, events, even I don't know, sports events, regardless of what it is. Everyone has a phone in their hand. Take a look at it. That's your audience. They're looking messages. They're scrolling down social media platforms. They're consuming a content, and we want to make sure that your content shows up for them. They use different platforms, and we want to make sure that your content is on every platform possible. In addition to that, to kind of like touch base on how technical it is. The idea is that you, as a business owner, don't have to do a whole lot. We are automating this whole system. There's a slightly, I would say, maybe 10-15 minutes of your time to set everything up. Help us provide, and I'm going to demo that, help us provide all the information necessary needed so that we can start creating this content for you. But that's pretty much it. I mean, from that point on, you can kind of sit back, relax, focus right back on your, on your business activities, and then take care of those clients that are reaching out to you directly. So, so the platform can create and post AI generated content for you, including short form videos using your own AI voice and your own face, right? We call that a clone of you, an AI version of you. So your marketing can run automatically across multiple social media platforms without your need to record or really edit anything yourself, right? We'll also we'll also look at other tools that we have in our platform. We partner with several other tech companies, vendors, we call them, and partners in that way. And what we did is, we are there. We basically sign up some big group agreements with them in order to give you guys a huge discount, enterprise level account, where we typically get you anywhere from 40 to 60% off their regular prices. So that's also a big benefit of what we do, because we want to integrate our services, and we want to make sure that that the right tools that can provide you a positive ROI in your business are implemented for you in your business. So obviously you get us as a tech partner there. And that could be anywhere from like websites and marketing automation, CRMs, lead generation tools, tools that you would present to your real estate agent partners or your consumers and so forth. So I'll go over that as well. Another most recent feature and powerful feature that we just added is we call it an AI agent, or MLOBOX AI agent, which acts as your personal AI assistant. It can respond to comments, it can reply to messages, it can guide potential clients to the right links that you set it up and help them move conversation towards that next step. This is why I say that you should just sit back and relax and wait for those incoming calls, incoming appointments, and take care of those. Let us drive that part. Obviously, if they put your messages in, 10 different platforms for you on social media, it's probably going to be super hard for you to manage that yourself. That's why this AI agent will take care of all of that. And this is our most recent feature we just added last couple of weeks, and it's just an amazing one. So and toward the end of this call, a lot of people ask me, so how much is this and what it is? But I'm going to basically show you and tell you that this, at the end of this call, I'll explain the partnership and revenue share model for those of you that want to turn this platform into additional stream of income. So when people ask me how much does this thing cost, I typically, my response is, yes, we have a couple of different packages that have some starting cost. But if you'll find out that, if it works for you, it will be a fairly easy process to invite other people that you can help them in the business. And those people that you invite will offset your cost of advertising down to, with just a few people in there can offset completely and not cost you anything anymore, while you continue to help them grow their business there. So it is a revenue share model that I'm going to explain at the end. So my goal for today is super simple. I'll show you how MLOBOX can help you automate your marketing, expand your reach online, and create new opportunities for you and your business. So with that said, I'm going to share my screen and share directly a website, MLOBOX AI website. I clicked on a page called Partners, Partners page from a homepage, and I just wanted to kind of point out, I'd like to start with this in here by saying, if anyone invited you to this call or told you about this presentation today, this demo call, and you know their name, you can find their name and then create a free account with us in here. You just have to click on their button where it says join. I mean, if it was a Sam, you would just click on join Sam. If it was Simon, you click on join Simon, and so forth, right? What that will do is that's the part of us ensuring that that we value your partnership, and obviously you will be you're going to go under them. They're going to be your sponsors in here and the upline at MLOBOX. But with that said, I have an account I'm just going to log in. I have this test account, so I'm going to start with that first and share with you information there. So once you create your free account, and you get access to behind the scene on everything that we do. So behind the scene means exactly what I have in here. There's a lot of things on the left-hand side. You will be logged into a dashboard page, and then I'm going to cover all of these things on the left-hand side in the menu, from plans and how to subscribe, and show you what we create, what type of content we create, the platforms that we connect all of your marketing pieces. Obviously, that AI agent that I just mentioned, how that works, support tools and vendors that we have, and at the end, that business opportunity in here. But here we are on the dashboard page. You can say that this is something that it will display almost like a Facebook group, like a private Facebook group page. You just saw it earlier. There's over 1,000 people that we have signed up so far, and they're going to communicate right here. You can communicate with all of them in there. Obviously, you're going to get some of our updates on what's going on in here, but it works like that. It works that simple. So you can ask any questions even before you actually sign up. Obviously, the other part that on that dashboard page in the right side of a corner, you're going to hear or see this type of call, a demo call. So for those of you that missed the call like this, or invite someone who missed the call, you can just share that login, your referral link login with them, and they can watch this, replay this call at any time and learn everything that we do. And the middle section in here is it talks about a different, that revenue share that goes 4 levels deep, 4 levels deep, and it unlocks each level as more people you get in your first level, and I'll go over that at the end. But the one of the key parts of that you and each one of you can actually get just by signing up, you can earn and get your referral link. Both of these links will have a function of it. One is a direct registration link. The top one is a direct registration link of yours, and the second one is an invite to this call. Whichever one you share with your friends and people that you invite them to, that will basically lock them in to your downline. And if they ever sign up with us, that you're going to earn that, income, revenue share income with us. But again, so technically, just to be clear, the cost of this service doesn't even have to cost you anything. If you happen to like what we offer, but you might not be ready to invest that money right now for you and your business, you can still create an account, invite others that might be willing to start right away, and by inviting a few of them, you're going to earn income that can offset the cost of yours. So in a couple of months, you can basically earn this membership free. So that's the idea of it. So let me now walk you through those plans that we talk about it and what's available. So generally speaking, immediately after you log in, you're going to be on the dashboard page, and then what you want to do is click on the plans, and then we have these two simple plans to choose from. And currently we are running a promo code or promo with each one of them that is 50% off. So what you're going to see is one plan is at $698.50, and the other one is $398.50 each. I'm going to explain the differences between the two, but the main one is the AI videos that we're going to create on this omnipresent engine plan. 30 AI videos, AI custom clone built around that. So here's the information on that particular program. Let me go back to the page because I clicked on it. 90 branded images, copywriting, expert copywriting just done for you, posting on actually, we just added yesterday another platform, so you can have nine platforms, social media platforms there, and will continue to grow. AI engagement, AI agent tool that I'll explain later, and revenue share. While the other plan basically includes all of that minus these AI videos and AI images being done. There's no AI clone version of you, but you have the ability. We still provide you, flyers and marketing pieces with that, and once you sign up with either one of these packages, I'll show that in a little bit. Once you sign up with either one of them, then we have what we call it add-on features to your plan, basic add-on features at a huge discount. So you can add, you can add a website, you can add different tools, CRM, all those other tools that we have at the huge discounts from our vendor partners right there. So the idea behind everything, MLO boxes, I'm going to cover a little bit. This is definitely our biggest reasons why people are part of MLOBOX, and business owners are part of this particular plan. It literally replaces 6, and I would even argue 7-person team on yours. And again, we're talking about turning your business, your independent team Well, generally speaking, we tend to work with a lot of individuals that run their own business, but they know that they need the marketing team around them to help them there. Otherwise, they get stuck doing it on their own, and takes time, energy, effort, money away from them. This plan literally replaces a need for a video editor, a graphic designer, a marketing expert, copywriter, social media manager, someone that responds and tracks and responds to all of your AI, all of your messages, DMs, and engagements. I would argue, uh, and we haven't even added there, but you are literally getting my. I have two tech teams that are running this platform, two separate tech teams that are doing this stuff, and when you combine it, it's literally 40 people, 40 people that becomes instantly part of your team when you partner with us. So if you ever thought about it, hey, I need to grow my presence online. I need to hire people. I need to hire virtual assistants. I need to hire people to help me manage my social media. I need to hire videographer, editor, also for marketing expert, and AI or tech, tech. Honestly, I want you to, throw that thought out of your mind. You don't need that. You just can, you can just plug into a system that we're doing, and we're building it for you. And obviously, at the small fraction cost that it would cost you to actually hire any of these. By the way, you don't have to train nobody. This is literally, just plug in and play system. And so that's the main goal. As you can see in here, you don't have to. I mean, that promo code that we have, it's already automatically applied to you for that 50% off. So you don't have to worry about what is the promo code that can give me. So it is a Let's Go right here. Then there's a couple ways you can pay for this. For signing up for either one of our plans. What obviously the main one and basic one is you can add your credit card and pay it that way. But for those of you that are familiar with what a loan officer support is, and the platform that we built it for, Nexa Mortgage or Nexa Lending platform. You can actually use growth and marketing or ledger funds and subscribe that way as well. And it would be as simple as you would just connect your LOS ledger. And as a result of that, now you can choose to pay it with either growth and marketing or personal ledger and subscribe there as well. So that's another benefit from that. So you can utilize those funds that you earned at Nexa to pay for a tool like this. The second plan, like I said, is a plan that does not include the actual voice, custom clone, AI clone. It does not include videos, but we do include branded flyers for you. Everything is personalized to you. I'm going to show you examples in a second of that. You still get the entire platform, posting on all social media platforms. I'll demo you a smart caption, everything that AI can do, for you. And that particular plan is $398. That's a starter plan or a small plan. If you wanted to kind of like compare what I just talked about it, you can add these two particular plans in here, and we're considering adding one more intro plan yet, but it's not available. Some additional AI plan, so that's why you saw the third option right there, but it is still not live yet. However, this is an easy way for you to see it. The difference right there. Omnipresent Agent, you get these videos, AI videos, clone images, custom scripts that you create. So you not only that we create the clone and AI, but you literally drive a conversation and scripts of what you want your AI to say, to do. And you can then we have the promo that's just for extra $1 per month. You can then add those daily flyers and then additional tools such as such as MLOBOX website, pricing engine. We have a three different uh, three different actually uh, tools that are related to tracking real estate uh, production as well as loan officers production. The main one, I mean, all three are amazing. If you're familiar with the Redder, the other one is MMI, and the other one is a model match. So I gotta update the screen, but either one you can choose to have that. Like I said, the prices of that particular software are like somewhere around $200. And you know our cost is at $80 for that, just as add on to it. VPN is another service that you can add if needed. Mortgage coach, if you're a loan officer, that tool is 150 to $200. As a matter of fact, we have a mortgage coach or MBS Highway. I gotta update that as well. So either one you can add for a small like 60% off price. CRMs that cost anywhere from $300 to $500 per month. We have them as an add-on for $120. So again, you built your own package as a fit as it fit your business, and you can always add or remove any of these services, any of these additional add-ons as you wish. There are no contracts associated with us. We truly are in here to wanted to make this tool work for you. So we have to earn your business every single month. And as a matter of fact, if it doesn't work for you, you can cancel, and we have a full 30-day money back guarantee. We will refund you any of it. So essentially, there's no uh, risk of you trying it. And the things that we built for you in the first 30 days, if you happen to cancel with us, you still get to keep that stuff. We'll work with those 30 days for you completely free. It's okay. My point is, I'm not here to it does cost money, and you know very expensive, a lot of money to actually build all these tools and make this work and pay the people to do it there. I just want to make sure that ultimately you don't have to be paying for that, or trying to learn, go through steps of figuring out what could or couldn't work for you. This is your easy way to just plug in and play with us, and then we are here to help you grow your business, and not after a cost, not after your money. We're here after your success. That's kind of the idea behind this, and I'm extremely excited because I do have a lot of results. We've had these results, successful results, even prior to building the AI video generated platform. But now that we added this recently, it's promising to next. In my opinion, it's what nobody's doing at this point. As a matter of fact, there are some companies that do this AI stuff. I'm going to share with you one of the companies that does a small portion of what we do. So basically, they're this company here, AI. They will create you a clone for you. No camera, no crew, no problem. They'll create your own clone, similar to what we're doing. They won't give you they won't help you post stuff. They won't give you a platform that connects to all the social media channels. They won't automate anything for you. They're just going to create your clone and then tell you, "Oh, here we are. Good luck." And just so you can compare that, this is their most popular plan, and it costs $5,000 per month. Again, that's and in that they would make up to 20 videos, or 10 minutes, maximum of 10 minutes of a video. We are making it 30, up to 30 videos for you, and a lot more than 10 minutes, and all the other plus stuff, obviously for a small fraction cost there. So there are companies that do this stuff, but again, you don't have to spend this. I don't know uh, you know how many months would you be able to spend $5,000, even a $10,000 per month to to see whether this thing works for you. Ours is small investment, and obviously, if it with full money back guarantee. So now I'm gonna go, oops, and show you some examples of what we do in here. Um, this would be, if I click on a gallery, in my own gallery, right here, I'm going to show you just everything that it was recently built just for me. Looks like I'm still waiting for uh, these are just the some of the flyers that were generated for me. So this would be part of that package. Actually, I'm in a demo account. So let me go to my real account and sign in. So this demo account, you saw the flyer package, but I'm going to show you the AI package that we have as well, combination of a both. So this is a example of what my gallery looks like. So I've already so far have, over the last 4 to 5 months, I have 2,700 pieces of my content. Now I want you to think about it. It's 2,700 individual pieces of content built over the last 4 to 5 months for me, and then that was distributed to 6 or 7 platforms, and now we have 9 platforms. But it was distributed in all of these platforms. So if you do the math, 2,700 times 6 or 7, that's like 15 to 20,000 pieces of content shared with my message, with my personal brand all over, with goal to be on a platform that I am not even on. Like it's hard for me to be on all of these platforms all at once, but my AI agent is, and monitors all the activity on those platforms, that it basically literally responds to those messages for me and drives the traffic to my either online, to my website, or to my DM, or to my scheduler or Calendly, or direct application to what I needed to. It just does it for me, so I don't have to worry about being on all of these platforms. And just today, let me see, this is a March 13. All of these pieces were literally like built for me. Today, I didn't have to be in front of camera. I didn't have to do anything. It just flows. In addition to what the team does, I still have the ability to send and create the one-offs on my own. So we have a fully functional, app that is either ready for your iPhone or Android phone, that you can actually download it and use that to post your one-off messages as they happen, whether it's videos or images or flyers or any other messages. You can just post it and do in addition to everything that we do. So my gallery shows me that. We show you in here a public gallery as well. This is since this was today's call, we create you also marketing material for this as well. If you're part of our business, we want to help you grow that downline that I talked about it. So we are going to drive traffic to you and offset your cost of marketing. So it just happens to be that the most recent one was literally promoting this particular call and posted on all of these platforms for our users. But I'm going to scroll down. Well, I'm going to click on, let's see. I'm going to scroll down to show you some videos that we've created, the AI cloned videos right there for our users. As you can see, not only that the videos are created, but also auto-posted on all of their connected platforms. So if you're here today, and I have a question for you, like, how many social media platforms do you even have a business account? If the answer is, less than 6 or 7, I mean, you can go ahead and do that and create those free accounts right there. Millions and millions of users and people are using those platforms. Why wouldn't you be there for your business? The second thing is, cool, you have your account. Are you posting it? Anything? How active are you? By just plugging with us, you become active instantly and consistently moving forward. I don't know, I try to do the math in my head, but even if you received a couple pieces of content per day from us, and you're going to get way more than that. It's more like 7, 8, even 10 pieces of content every single day. But even if you do receive a couple pieces of content over the next 12 months, 365 days times 2, that's 700 pieces of content times 7 platforms. That's literally 5,000 pieces of content that will go out there and do promotion for you completely organically, right there, not additional costs paid, and monitor all of these channels for you. You know, if that resulted in just one transaction, this would offset the cost of doing this business, right? So just one. Obviously, we expect this to add multiple deals for you, multiple partnerships for you every single month as a result of that. But just one, to put in perspective, if you spend 12 months, 12 months of cost of investing in this business, just one deal will pay for itself. That's it, one in a year. So when you think of it that way, you understand that you understand the full power of what this can do. So feel free to check out these examples yourself. See directly on their social media platforms, follow them, and see it for yourself. The bottom line is you'll understand what we offer there. Now, let's talk about social media platforms. Like I said, we just recently added, I didn't even set up yet, our 9th platform, a Blue Sky. But we already had Facebook and X and LinkedIn and Instagram and YouTube and Google, my business profile page, TikTok, Pinterest. I will tell you, we are exploring and adding. I believe next one is going to be a Reddit platform. Then there's a few other big ones, from Threads to WhatsApp to all of that stuff again. But this is we're already at 9 platforms, and it's so easy. You would just literally create your account, connect it, and turn on this feature called auto post. Everything that we create for you, done. I mean, it's that simple. This is why I say we probably need somewhere about 10 to 15 minutes of your time initially, and then you can forget about that. You just focus on the business there. We have a couple of options for you where you are able to auto post everything that we do for you. You are able to manually approve them, which basically means that we will create it and put it in a draft mode, and then you can then post it at the time that you want it. We have the ability for you to literally be able to manage each and every, like, you want to have a flyers auto posted, you want to have images auto posted, or videos on and off. So you can create that part. There's a part that is coming. The feature that is coming is auto reply feature. I'll actually show you. We already have implemented auto feature right now, but you have the ability to say, hey, I don't want an auto feature. I don't know why would you, but you can kind of monitor maybe certain platforms you don't want to have auto reply. If that platform is something that you're extremely active on, and you want to drive your own conversation, sure, you can uncheck that auto reply. Currently for me, it's on for all of them, and I'll demo it in a second there. Once that's connected, like I said earlier, I can create one-off new posts automatically. They will create once if I turn the auto post on. Anything that our team does it, but I don't know. They just say, I wanted to. I might be, eating lunch with some of the business partner. I want to take a little selfie of us eating a lunch and post that image. I could do that, maybe, log into one of the platforms, like I could go to Facebook and try to post it there. But what I could also do is just open up my MLOBOX app and then upload that picture from my phone and auto post it on all of the platforms all at once, right? Not only that, we would literally, so if anything you wanted to repeat and any past videos, something that maybe you created the message of yours that that repeats every single weekend. You want to send a message by saying, hey, I'm here available for you for any pre-quals, pre-approvals. Hey, agents, reach out to me. And if you want to go back and post that, you certainly can, just go back to your media gallery and just hit the repost there. This is one way to do it. The other one is you could go back to that My Gallery page, and that I've mentioned it earlier. Scroll down to that post that you wanted to repost it. I don't know, an example of, let me run one for you. Let's see, this particular video right there. If I wanted to post it, I'll click on post now. As you can see, it's literally saying generating text. I don't even have to think of it. This particular post says, it talks about this. It talks about that. Hey there. I guess I introduced myself on this one. Let's make your buying and selling journey simple. Obviously, you are able to modify your message. Maybe you want to, add your own hashtags. Hashtag not erotic, for example, or something like that, and add a few things and change it. But the point is, we made it easy for you just to hit post. You can also schedule a post at a certain time of the day, and do it that way. And this video would go to all of these platforms all at once. So that's how. So you can repurpose the content as often as you want to, and need it. I want to point out one thing that. Since I have an AI clone version of it, in my dashboard area, I have this like easy button where it says add your script. This one is, extremely valuable. I can program and say exactly word by word what is it that I want my next video to say and to do, basically. So here I am. I created, and scheduled, next Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, 5 more videos each day that will talk about exactly what I say that I wanted to talk. So I can generate my own content. If you don't put any scripts on your own, we're still going to deliver you, scripts that we believe that will help you gain business. But the point in here is that you have ability to literally say down, like create your own script and program it when and how you can, use your, call me, text me, and put your phone number as a part of a script in a video that creates it, or, exactly how you speak, and obviously promote the type of business product that you wanted to promote. This is why I say that the MLOBOX isn't just, even though while I'm showing you a lot of this stuff being built for loan officers, it can be any particular business, because the business owner knows the type of message that they wanted to get out there, and then they can just come in and write that message in here and schedule those posts there once they're scheduled. So this one was March 11. I'm able to actually view the video, and this is an example. This is an example of that video that was created for me just based off of my script. Let me see. So in addition to a video that we create, yes, we add the captions to that. We add the background music to it. We create the environment that is professional. There we can dress you as the way, however you want it. It can be a T-shirt. It can be a suit. Whatever you want. You have the ability to let us know. Send that feedback, and we're going to create content like that for you. So this particular one was definitely a custom script for me, and again, I didn't have to necessarily think what my message is going to be. I already know that I'm, in this case, promoting a recruiting for me. So so that's the huge thing, because obviously you may specialize in certain loan program, or you just want to drive certain marketing to a certain type of activities and business that you do. This is where you do this, where you create. So I have a 30 of these per month. Looks like a 7 hour in progress. So I have to come back in here, sometimes over the next 7 days, and just generate new scripts for myself and schedule them as we go. So, all right. This is to kind of give you an example, what that would look like when you the sign up process for you when you're doing it. We're going to ask you to upload. Let me show you actually a different plan that I'm on. I believe it was this one. This is what we need from you early. Oh, I don't have it. I don't have in this one. I have audios, but let me see. I'm gonna upload some images of mine. And oh yeah, they're there. It just took a second to load. But you have the ability to add your selfies, your images, and based off of that, we're going to create or add. I just added the same, like a 3 or 4 on the bottom. If I'm ready for it, I can save change. So you can change your kind of look as often as you want to. When you send us your selfies, we'll do the rest of it. The same thing goes with audio recording. You just hit the record in here and let us know, hit that record button right there. It'll ask you for a permission from your computer or your phone. And simple as this, I'm already recording this stuff. We ask you not to read anything from a screen. Just be you, be energetic, be give us your speed of voice, speak naturally, and by doing so, we are able to match as close as possible to your style of talking, and then you will sound a whole lot like you. We used to ask people to read a particular script, but that by reading that script, it took away from some of the natural voices. So think of it like leaving a voicemail message to someone that just got maybe approved for their loan or got cleared to close, and you want to deliver an exciting message for them. That's the type of message you want to post there. We ask you to record at minimum 30 seconds, but the longer the message is, the better. We can match it to you. Once you're done, hit stop and hit save, and that's how simple it is. So that's really the setup that we would have for you. Upload a selfie, upload an audio recording of you, answer a couple of questions regarding your avatar. Right there, we're going to ask you, how you would like to have your wardrobe section or backgrounds on all of this stuff. All of it is still, we can still change it as we go down the road, but this stuff is optional. Sometimes people may, maybe some of the images don't show their true eye color, and if you have, just say, your eyes may turn red on a picture, but that your eye color is blue. Select the blue. We'll make sure that we create that as well. Hit the save button, and then at the end, you also have the ability to generate your script and content in there. And it'll give you plenty of ideas of what those scripts might look like. I'm going to tell you there's still a lot more improvements that we are working on this generating script, and it has a lot to do with your own personal AI agent that we just rolled out. So we, as more you get to train your AI agent, and more you answer what you specialize in and how you, which type of products and what kind of business are you running, based off of that knowledge base from your AI agent, we'll be able to then suggest you scripts that you might want to record and run. Certainly, you can get an ideas, and then you can edit as you wish. Right? Maybe I can say call or text me at, and then 480 307 4107. That could be one of my scripts right there. And now that will be part of my video next time around. So, all right. I'm going to go right back a little bit, just one more time, just to go on the social media platforms. I said, auto posted content is there. Manually, you can publish as much as you want. There's no limit on any of this stuff. So if you have, maybe you used to be pretty, you created a lot of content, but you only were posting on the one social media platform. By coming in and reposting that stuff, connecting your other platforms, 6, 7, 8, 9 different platforms that you have, you can repost that stuff and now do that, push your content in addition to everything that we do, right? So it can be manually published. We are extremely like focused on wanting to deliver you results. And by doing so, we want to keep track of your analytics. This page is still like work in progress in here, but we want to show you how much engagements you're getting, how much reach you're getting, total followers you have across the different platforms, the type of responses you're getting, the type, who your audience is. Like I said, this is still a small, it's a work in progress. Right there, this is just over the last 7 days. We just started this stuff. I think February, right there, February 15th was when we turned on for you guys. So about a month ago. We are driven to help you scale and grow, and you'll be able to track your analytics all in one place. So one place, one platform, all at the same time. There's going to be a lot more coming in here, but that's we don't want to just do the work for you. We want to show you how your brand is growing. So that's the analytics page over there. And then now I want to talk about this AI agent. I truly am excited for this one to present, because this becomes a foundational part of everything that we do. So by that meaning, when you have and when you train your AI agent, you are able to literally tell them how to respond, what their job is, how to make how to represent you the best possible way. We will give you a starting script, and you can literally just click on this button that says need an example and preload a starting script right there for you. And it's already going to be like personalized to some degree for you. But I will encourage you more to take a time and really build it like who you are. Give it the context of what this AI agent will do for you. So, like I said, for example, here, this particular agent is going to reply in my own name. So I literally said, "You are," in this case, "you are me. You're not my assistant. You are me." So when you respond, I want you to sound just as if I typed things in. So this is what your function is. This is what your job is. This is how what that style I want you to write it. This is your identity. I gave him enough information of who I am, even personal information, myself and all of that. So in case someone ask those type of questions, and again, this is just an example of it. I can certainly share this stuff with you. This is where our team comes into place and support comes in. I can give you copy paste, and then you can modify this stuff. You can there's no limit of what you can ask for your post to do. I've had a little bit of fun last week to literally created a special instruction for one specific post that kind of went a little viral, and I had a lot of responses on that. So I was just having fun and giving extra information to my AI, so it would intelligently respond to posts like that. And I'll show you even an example on the platform. It went kind of viral on a platform that I'm almost never on, and I didn't have to I didn't have to necessarily, I mean, I was monitoring because it's kind of new system, but I didn't have to engage much further. I was actually having chuckle to see how it responds, and I'm like, oh, this is a cool idea. And then if I wanted to make some updates for the next time somebody, literally, this is the part where I said, hey, let me give you some more context on that specific post right there. So I was able to, intelligently give even more context to it, and then next time somebody picks the seat on this particular post right there, where it was a seat selection in an image, then my AI knew like exactly what 1B is, or 2A seat is, or 3B seat is, right? So it was kind of fun to watch that, and when you find out that it can work for this, then you start getting ideas how it can work for anything else that you try to build your business on. So again, this is like literally a brain of your, and like I said, it's designed to be a foundational things on anything that you do down the road. I want you to think of, like down the road, you may want to plug this particular knowledge database and your things that you train your AI to do, and plug it into your CRM that responds to text messages. You can also plug that into your voice calling down there as an AI to represent you right there. And it's trained based off of all the input from your own audience, from all the social media platforms, what they're asking you about it, right? So like I said, this is just the beginning of building a 6-7 person team around you that does all of that. Now you have the ability to add, and upload additional documents in here. It doesn't always have to be, yeah, very, very specific like that. So you wanted to just download the library of knowledge to your AI about you, you can just do it. You can upload PDF, Word document, Excel, and text message, whatever you want. You can go out there, drop that particular document in there. Just like that, you trained your AI to know everything about it. I mean, an example could be you can just download the entire FHA manual on what it is, and just like that, your AI is trained on everything FHA, right? VA, conventional loans, Fannie, Freddie, you name it. You can just like that, you can build it. You can add your own website just like that. It knows everything that is on your website, or even your YouTube channel, or a specific page from your website. You can add your frequently asked questions. And again, that's the knowledge database, something that stays in addition to who they are, where it's a system from who they are, is the data store is what they know, right? And there's no limit to the amount of data you can upload, and you can manage those things easily in here. As you can see, just recently, another Q&A was just, updated and synced just, yesterday for me. But again, that's, I have here my YouTube channel. I have my website. I have actually a company website right there. I'll actually show you an example while I added a data source to be my company website. Let me see. I'm gonna search for Control F next. I literally told the response rules is do not mention. Let me see. Next. Only if necessary. One sec. Never send any of my users directly to the corporate website, right? Instead, point them to my own website. But do know everything that is on their website. I still want my AI to know that the company does. However, use it to my advantage, right? If someone asks about MLOBOX, and I'll show you, if someone asks about MLOBOX, send them to my referral link. It's just automatically, hey, if you'd like to learn more about it, click on that link, and I don't have to worry about it. Even another one is a HELOC. If someone asks about a HELOC, send them directly to my HELOC link right there. Let them do it. So it's an amazing tool that that it can work amazingly for you and help you instantly, respond to all of these messages. You'll never be left with the message unanswered on all of your posts there. So As a matter of fact, this is how that works. So the next part here is the inbox. Here we are, someone today. This is a perfect example for me to show you. About 4 hours ago, I made that post. Hey, I'm doing this live demo call. Today, I'll show you. I'll show you how AI creates content posted for you. And then this was a reply. Invite, please. And this is not me responding. It was my AI responding as me. I got you. I'll send a Friday demo invite right here. If you want to lock a spot right now, RSVP right here. So uh, Gerald, I don't know if you're on the call, but at least my AI was able to respond it. If I wanted to change this message, maybe in the future, I can click this improve button and modify it and train and retrain and continue to retrain my AI. All right. In this case, I like the message, so I can hit the like. Okay. As a matter of fact, we even show you here's a post that it was there posted. Okay, actually, this one happens to be, I know it was a LinkedIn. I'm gonna go to my LinkedIn platform, and this is that message right there. I invite, please, and this is my AI responding automatically. So now think of the possibilities. You didn't have to do it. This is why I said you don't have to show up, but you can have your AI do it for you. I'm going to show you while I'm on this LinkedIn page. This is definitely a platform that I have not been on. I mean, I've had the account for years, but I haven't been active. Maybe I would visit the page every couple of weeks to do it. But here's just the last 90 days. My increase with implementing the AI, over 1,000% increase. This is my reach that is going. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you a post that reached the 70,000 impressions and had 124 comments on it. And it was an engaging post that our team created. It was like that. Choose your seat. Where would you like to sit there? It had 124 comments, 70,000 impressions. And at that time, this was, 2 months ago, I didn't have the auto AI respondent. I wish I did, because this would probably go way more viral as well. But I did not have it at the time, so I literally didn't respond to any of these because it was too much to do. And I didn't even see some of these messages until like a week later. So my point is, this is what the type of content that we're going to create to help you engage. It reached 37,000 members, and keep in mind, I only have like 5,000 people in my network on my. Let me see right here. I only have 5,100 followers, but it reached like almost 40,000, just that one post right there. So that's what I wanted you guys to know. The power of this is, it just does it automatically for you. And our team, if you had to hire someone to do this stuff for you, I'm sure nobody would do this work for $500 or $600 a month for you, even for $400 to $600 a month. So you can't even find our great friends and people in the Philippines that do this work pretty inexpensively. You can't even find that, and then you would have to train them, teach them, show them, have them do all this stuff. No, yeah, it's just not possible right there. So but yeah, this is the part that here's another response right there. Dreaming of owning a home, love it. Let's make it real. Want to chat options or start an application? Apply here. Go to my website. How do I join Nexa? I don't know. Just an example of it. And looks like I needed to train. I needed to train a little bit more. It's still kind of new. I didn't train it to what next step is, but then I can hit improve and work on a better response there, right? Same thing in here. Somebody might even put a little emoji, says, good job, cool, good job, appreciate it. Curious, what's your current marketing bottleneck? This happened to be about marketing. This particular one chose a seat like this, 3D seat, bold move with 3D. What's the play there, right? Again, it continues to invite more conversations and and doing it there. So again, none of it was me, but people think that it is me. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go visit this particular link just to see how conversations continue to go. This is a slightly a different one right there. I had, let me see, multiple responses. See this one right here. Show previous replies. The first one was that bold move, and then what's your play there? Now, I got a little bit more information from Jeff in this case. Hey, he would that 4C seat wasn't sitting next to Elon, so he wanted to ask that question. And again, so that's what I mean by it. Like, I don't believe that Jeff at this in this case even thought that it was not me responding, right? So that's the beautiful. That's the part that I enjoy, and it's just the beginning of what this is capable of doing. It. So if you were curious how would your AI respond, we just added yesterday a chat option where you can pretend. Okay, what if my client asked me about, hey, send me your HELOC link, for example. That if your client ended up sending, entering information like that, what would be the answer? And here we are. The answer would just be, here's the link. And so you can kind of test your own AI agent how it would respond in certain places to make sure. How about your MLOBOX demo call link, right? And as long as the correct answer is now you know that it's trained well there. So you can use this chat feature as a training feature for you. So without waiting for a comment of someone to do it, right? So, all right. Couple last things that I want to talk about. One super quick on it is our support. Our support team is here available in multiple ways. We're live on a Zoom for you every single work day, Monday through Friday, 10 hours a day. So if you need any help, jump on a call, ask us. We're here to support you live on a Zoom. You can open a ticket. Our team can respond. You can engage with our own AI bot for support and ask any of those questions there. Vendors and partners that we partner with, third party. I'm going to start with our CRM providers. We have, as I said earlier, you can add these for like $120 a piece, but Lead Hackers cost $300 on their website. GoGenie costs like $497 on their website. Gearbox is also at that level of $300 to $400 for there, but you're getting a huge discount by partnering with us and adding there. So we have an incredible relationship with each one of these options there. Other third-party vendors, and like I said, we still have a lot more to add in here. But each one of these, they do some incredible. They do some incredible work to help you. Let me see, to help you grow. As a matter of fact, Redder will allow you to download a list of up to 400 like names, emails, phone numbers of agents or loan officers with their production that you can target and to partner with them. And again, just adding tool like that, it costs $199 on the regular price for $80 with us. Again, another, I believe, 60% off of that. So again, there's a lot there. Each one of them have a demo call. If you add them in your plan, you're going to find that and find and be able to choose your own CRM, go to their website, explore what they do. You even have a demo calls recorded that you can watch and make the informed decision. You can start with one and come back and change it later. We ask you to at least give each one a 90 days a chance to help you get it going, because there's quite a bit of setup on their end initially. So give them a chance, try them out for 90 days. If it doesn't work out, we'll switch you to a next different CRM of your choice if need to. And like RETR or model match, like I said, we just added MMI as well. You can visit their websites and find out what they do. Additional services, websites, poly, you name it, all of that stuff you can just add there as well. And let's see, last thing I want to talk about is this business opportunity or revenue share that we have in here. We have an easy calculator to show you in here of what how much you would make how much you would make by referring us and helping us grow. We have two plans right there, the omnipresence and authority branding plan, and each one pays slightly different. So depending on who signs up for which plan that you invited, and you could make either $50 or $100 in the monthly residual income from those that you referred it to us. And so technically, if you happen to have, I don't know, 3 people on omnipresence and another couple people in this plan right there. So with that being said, you will now your cost of advertising or cost of MLOBOX services just went down by $400, right? So if that plan was $398 that you sign up with, it's essentially free for you. If it was $698 plan, okay, it's now it went down from 698 down to 298. Obviously, the goal is for you to offset the cost, and then also down the road help you start making money with us. So if and also what you could see is, since I had 5 people in my level 1, now anybody from these 3 people or from these 2 people, anybody from those 5 people, if they happen to bring people with them, and let's just say they all just brought 1 each over the course of next, I don't know, 6 months to 12 months. Now, even though you only brought 5 of your own, you're getting paid for 10 and doubling essentially that revenue share. And at this point, MLOBOX isn't costing you a dime anymore. Now we're actually paying you to be part of our team. So, and truly become our partner in business. So we have 4 levels. Wanted to point out that obviously anybody that you bring in directly in your level 1, automatically, as long as they're paid active subscribers, it counts immediately for you. You don't have any qualifications needed, but in order to qualify for level 2, you'd have to have 5 active people in level 1. In order to qualify for level 3, you'd have to have 10 active people in level 1. And in order to qualify for level 4, you'd have to have 15 people in your level 1 any given month, that in order to qualify for all 4 levels. Now let's pretend that over the next 12 months you were able to get those 15 people. I'm going to say 10 in here and 5 in here. That's a 15 that unlocked all 4 levels for you. And I'm going to make an assumption that each one brought a couple with them, couple of their best friends over the course of next 3 to 6 to 9 months there. And again, you saw how we even create the content to help drive that for you guys. So if that was the case, the 10 will become 20 in the level 2, and 5 will become 10 in this case. Same thing in here. 20 will become 40, and 10 will become 20, assuming that each of those people in your previous level have brought a couple themselves. And the level 4, 40 becomes 80. As you can see how what this could create is this could create some substantial income for you. And again, you would help us grow. Yes, we're talking now about $18,000 in residual income. By the way, any business, anywhere in the world, any language, it's wide open. We're not like mortgages or real estate companies where you are limited to state that you're licensed in. Business, sales, marketing can apply for anything. Anyone than anyone that wants to be present online and push their product online qualifies for this stuff. So it's a really a no limit opportunity in here, but this gives you an idea what this could be. I certainly believe many of you guys will easily reach 4 levels. We're here to help you with that growth ourselves. Like I said, we'll create the content for you that helps you drive this stuff, just like this call. It is on Fridays, and then we'll help you train your AI agent that he knows how to send them to the right link and right place for you when they ask, send me a link, that type of stuff. We're going to help you drive this and sign them up. So that's everything is tracked instantly. The downline feature right there, you can literally see when someone signs up, like in this case, like I have 129 in level 1, 617 in level 2, 139 level 3, and 140 in level 4 currently. And we show you who sign up when, if they're still active, and you can see, we don't have many people cancel our services. They keep going from time to time. We might have someone that canceled it, and obviously if they cancel it, that's okay. Might not be the right fit for them. Obviously, you're not making money from it, but that's if you don't make money, you don't make commissions. But that's the idea, to show you everything is tracked instantly. You can actually even see our top earners and partners in here. I go back to look at the January report right there. You can actually see, with this short period of time, we only started this in middle of October. And so October, November, December, January, like in about 3 months, we already have people making 2,700, 2,200, $1,600 a month. So cost of MLOBOX for them is zero. And as a matter of fact, the difference that between their plan and what they're paying for it and what they earn, we're going to send them a check for it. So that's that part there. So any questions whatsoever for me, feel free to unmute. And if not, I hope you enjoy the class. It was recorded on YouTube. We can send you that link. It will be inside our platform, that you can also access it. I will do this call again next Friday. And that said, thank you all for coming. Enjoy the rest of the Friday and the weekend. See you guys next week.